Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 26th June and today's my video topic is, it is a technical topic and topic name is memory allocation in Java. Memory allocation involves understanding how the Java virtual machine manages memory. The JVM divides memory into several areas, each with a specific purpose. Here, the following point will be describe the memory allocation in Java. First one will be heap memory. The heap memory, purpose of heap memory, store object and arrays allocation. Objects are created on the heap using the new keyword garbage collection. The heap managed by the garbage collection which automatically reclaim memory used object no longer reference. Second one is a stack memory, and purpose of a stack memory is store a local variable and function called detail, and the allocation when the method involve a new frame in a pushed into the stack containing method local variable parameters and return the address. Life cycle memory automatically manage a stack frame in a remove when the method exit. Third one is a method area. The purpose of method area is store class level data, include static variable, constant pool, method data, and the code for method. Allocation is class loading and method area allocation occur when the class first and reference. Fourth one is a program counter, that is known as PC. The purpose of PC is hold the address of the JVM instruction current being executed. Allocation is each thread has a one PC register. Fifth one is a native method stack. Purpose of native method stack is manage native method non-Java method call. Allocation is each thread has a one native method. Sixth one is a memory management, garbage collection. Java automatically memory management features which track object reference and the reclaim memory used by the object. Seventh is a escape analysis. Purpose of escape analysis optimization technique to allocate object on the stack instead of the heap when they are not used outside the method scope. It will be direct memory. Purpose of direct memory is memory allocate outside the heap, typically used for operation allocation managed by Java package, especially by the buffer. Ninth is a memory leak. Occur when the object area no longer needed but is still a reference, providing garbage collection prevention, avoid a long-lived object interface and the tools like perform a detect. 10th is finalization. Purpose of finalization is a mechanism to perform a cleanup before a object is a reclaiming by the garbage collection. Implementation override the finalized method in a object. Note: finalization is generally discovered poor and using by the discover and the cleanup method. 11th is a volatile keyword. Purpose of volatile keyword ensure visibility and changes of variable across the thread. Uses is volatile variable declare a volatile are not a catch thread local. All the risks are there. This is all about the memory allocation in Java. Understanding these points provide a comprehensive over memory allocation and the management in Java, help in awaiting efficient and effective Java application, ensure the optimal performance and the resource utilization. This is all about the memory allocation of Java. Thank you.